Hello my babes, welcome to Wonder with Stella YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly click that subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, chef's kiss. I love you so much guys. So today we are doing a very exciting vlog. As you can see, I'm standing behind my fridge. So I want to do a clean and restock video for you. So we are gonna do this together. We are gonna clean our fridge, and we just came from shopping, so I'm gonna be restocking it with some goodies. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and yeah, give me ideas of what you think I should do. As long as it's a lifestyle content or a travel content, I'll gladly do it for you. So stay tuned. Don't like to subscribe, comment, like, and share.
Shut down my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Our fridge is all clean, and I think it's time to restock the goodies. So I didn't remove the stuff on this side because I think it's not so dirty. Yeah, so time to restock. So we are gonna start with the waters and the energy drinks.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. I wanna dress I need to hear it from you. If we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessary. Pull for a breath on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around.
in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of love.
Yay! We are done restocking our fridge. And I'm gonna show you how everything fitted. Some of the things didn't fit that were there, the waters. But it's okay. Let me give you a tour of the fridge. So down here is our fruits. You can see the tomatoes, the avocados, and the lemons. And here we have the peaches, the apples, and the oranges. Oops. And then here is our vegetables. We have some corn, some carrots, some cucumber. Yep. And these, I forgot the name of it. And then on this side we have some bananas, some blackberries, and some cherries, sweet cherries. Over here we have our lemons. I don't know, watermelons. I don't know what they are called. We have the cabbage and we have other type of greens. Over here we have some sparkling waters and juice like. And then here I've put more water. Yeah, there's milk, there's everything. Up here is our blackberries and wild berries. Here is the sauces and stuff. And then over here is our waters, more water, and the milk. Yeah, this side is for the spices. Not so good with spices. That's how our fridge is looking. And top there's some eggs, so there's some still space left there. Actually, I might put this up here and try to fit the water in here. What do you think? Let's try doing that. But so far that's how things are looking. Let's try to fit the apples there, the melons, and we try fitting the water over here. Vegetables up there, and here we fitted our water. We normally make our water with cucumber and the yellow melons. Yep. So that's how everything is looking. I didn't clean the freezer because I thought it was not dirty, plus it's still loaded. Yeah, so we'll clean it next time. But that's my fridge. Let me know what you think.